Hi there, in case you need some help trying to figure out how to operate the thermostat here, let me give you a little quick demo video. To get the display to light up, you have to actually push on the panel. If you tap on it, nothing's gonna happen. You have to push on it, and then the display lights up. Currently it's 71 degrees inside the house. If you tap on the side, the little arrows are gonna come up. You can scroll either way to go to the heat setting, the AC setting, just the fans, or turn the system totally off. So right now we're gonna set it to the heat, and if you let it sit for about 2 seconds, it'll set itself for the heat, and then you can go up and down for the temperature. So let's set it for 72 degrees for heat inside the house right now, and that will set the heat. If you want to switch it to the AC setting, just come back, scroll to the side, go to the cool setting, give it about 2 seconds, and you see it switches over here to the cool setting, and we'll set it to 75 degrees inside the house for the AC setting. Hope that helps you get everything figured out here.